Oh my god. Hello, welcome to Brooke's Kitchen. Today we're making a Thanksgiving cake. Okay, so you're going to want to get 1 3/4 cup of flour. One 3/4 cup of sugar. 3/4 cup of the brown stuff. If you get anything dirty, just use your trademark Brooke's Kitchen apron to get it out. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to go ahead and choose a utensil. I'm going to choose this one. And we're going to just go ahead and stir until your heart is content. Now remember, if you spill any portion of this while you're mixing it, your cake is going to be ruined and you're going to want to go ahead and start over. Now as you can see, we've got a little bit of white powder still at the bottom here. And if you serve a mixture like this to your loved ones on Thanksgiving Day, then that's basically like slapping them in the face and saying, I don't care about you, I don't love you, etc. If a chef leaves its mixture like this, that's basically just saying, you know, I'm a horrible chef and I want everybody around me to hate me. And basically what I'm trying to get across to you is, with every white chunk that you leave in here, Morgan Freeman comes 1 breath closer to death and 1 kitten dies in a field of flowers. Now it's time to work with our wet ingredients, so you're going to want to go ahead and get your wet ingredients. You're going to need 1/2 cup of canola oil. This brand's actually got the Duck Dynasty's stamp of approval, so I'm pretty excited about that. Make sure you get every single drop. Next you're going to need 2 eggs, so I'm actually going to go hunting for my eggs. And during this season, eggs actually usually like good foliage, so if we just, yes. There's some 2 eggs. You're going to want to go ahead and wash those off. I don't have my Brooke's Kitchen cameraman today, so you're just going to have to trust that I am cracking the eggs. This is also fast. Do you see? 10. Now, a novice is going to want to go ahead and look for any eggshell that they might have gotten in there, but because I am an expert, there obviously isn't any eggshell in there. Then just go ahead and dump that in. Now we need 1 cup of buttermilk. Go ahead and dump that in there. Now 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. I actually don't have my 1 1/2 teaspoon measurement device anymore. I actually left it in China when I was doing my Brooke's Kitchen Asian tour. But if you are a mathematician like me, then you do know that 2 1/4 teaspoons will equal 1/2. So next we're going to go ahead and beat this into submission for exactly 60 seconds. No more, no less, or the cake is ruined. Now add your dry ingredients into your wet. Like so. Exactly like this. Guys, get in here and listen. Now I'm going to prepare a pan, so you're going to want to go ahead and spread some cake release all around it. Now heat up a cup of water and put it into here. I understand that this is probably not microwavable safe, but you know what? Baking is for breaking rules, you know what I mean? Pour in the hot water and stir, and then put it in your 350-degree oven for 22 minutes. While your delicious cake is baking, you're going to want to go ahead and protect it, because there are going to be some thieves that are going to want to ruin Thanksgiving. So just reach into your handy-dandy Brooke's Kitchen apron here and you'll find a couple firearms that you can use just to protect your goods. And while you're waiting, you can go ahead and just lay on the ground and sort of think about all your life choices that you regret. Check it. Now these actually went in for 27 minutes, and then we're going to let them cool for 10 minutes. Now it's icing time, so add 1.5 cups of butter. Now 1 cup of cacao, the brown stuff. Go ahead and dump that in. 5 cups of powdered sugar. And now 1/3 cup of cream. Now go ahead and cream this together. You're probably going to want to add more cream to get to your desired consistency. I forgot to film me icing it, but I think you guys get the picture. Thank you so much for watching Brooke's Kitchen, and happy Thanksgiving.